Before proceeding to the step-by-step instructions, please view this important message. Making a bootable USB or DVD for your desired Linux OS can be a daunting task. You have to download the right ISO, choose the right writing tool, select the correct bootable USB or DVD option, wait for it to write, and make sure nothing important gets erased by mistake. If you would rather skip all of that hassle, there is a much easier option. Go to the description of this video and use the link provided to buy a custom-built, ready-to-use bootable USB or DVD for your desired Linux OS. All the trouble of creating the bootable USB or DVD has already been taken care of for you. That means you can start from the part that actually matters: booting your computer and installing your desired Linux OS on your beloved machine. Each bootable USB or DVD is prepared carefully, checked before dispatch, and shipped in tamper-proof packaging for peace of mind. We also ship fast, and every order includes full online tracking information, so you can follow your package from dispatch to delivery. Take a look at our amazing customer feedback and buy with full confidence. Your bootable USB or DVD is ready. Your installation journey can begin without the stress. Order today at the link provided in the description. Thank you. Want the classic Linux Mint desktop with a familiar menu, panel, and steady everyday feel? In this guide, we are making a bootable USB for Linux Mint Mate. First, back up the USB drive. Flashing an ISO erases the drive completely, so move anything important somewhere safe before you begin. You only need 3 things: a USB flash drive, the Linux Mint Mate ISO from linuxmint.com, and Rufus on Windows. Open linuxmint.com, go to Download, choose the latest Linux Mint release shown on the site, and pick the Mate edition. Why Mate? Linux Mint describes it as classic and traditional. It continues the GNOME 2 desktop style, with a straightforward panel, menu, Windows, and settings layout. Now open Rufus and plug in your USB drive. Pause on the device field and make sure the selected drive is the USB you actually want to erase. Click Select, open your Downloads folder, and choose the Linux Mint Mate ISO. Before moving on, confirm the ISO name appears in Rufus. Click Start. Use the recommended ISO image mode if Rufus asks, allow any extra files it needs, and confirm the erase warning only after your USB is backed up. Wait while Rufus writes the image. When the bar reaches 100% and the status changes to ready, the bootable Linux Mint Mate drive is finished. Close Rufus, safely eject the USB from Windows, and remove it only after Windows says it is safe. To try Linux Mint Mate, restart the computer with the USB plugged in, open the boot menu, and choose the UEFI USB option. In the live desktop, test Wi-Fi, sound, keyboard, display, and performance. Install only when you are ready, and always back up the computer first.